mainit. Cake na. Galing. Dala ka na guys. Stop.
Stop po, napicture nyo. Sayang.
Ready kayo?
Student, pasuot ng mask po. Thank you so much.
Happy.
This shared time we now embrace, a statement to time and place. Together we have reached this day and found ourselves.
Guys, meron kami ganito guys. Meron kami ganyan guys.
Day by day, with no loss along the way. Then every step, through small and slow, was proof of power for you can go.
I've always knew, rewarding those who climb up to them. Not in vain. Every tear you wipe away, every night turned into day, was never lost, was never gained, but part of growth, part of the way.
Let us also recognize and applaud the parents and families who are here today, sitting at the back, to witness this meaningful milestone
of study and compliance with all academic and institutional requirements. I respectfully request your conferment.
For the conferment of degrees and titles, please welcome our school president, Dr. Maria M. Vicente.
With the power vested on me by Wrestling College of the Philippines, Academic Council, and in accordance with the standards set forth by the Commission on Higher Education, with all the rights, honors, and privileges, as well as the obligations and responsibilities pertaining to it. I therefore confer your graduation. Congratulations!
Dear graduates, the moment you have been waiting for has finally arrived. The fruits of your hard work are about to
Bigayan na ng
Day Aldrin B.
Nagbibigay na sila ang toga.
May stigmatism
Malapit
kasi
na
sa
kami.
cellphone ko.
Marisola Reyes Edward M. Jimena
34, 36, 40, 42, 44,
So guys, papakita namin mga diploma namin. Ito yun. Pwede ba to? Pwede ba pakita to? Ikaw. Pwede ba dito?
Bustamillo, Desmond F. Sebreros, Jeremy P. Coronacion, Justin Roy T. De La Cruz, Angelo G.
Ano ba?
De Luna,
Video lang, oh.
Alan B.
Ayan siya.
Loyalty Awardee. Del Prado, Erin D. De La Cruz, Jesser James S. De La Cruz,
Dami pa namin
John
guys.
Paul
Tingnan
A.
nyo. Ayan pa, oh. Hindi pa natatawag.
Gonzales, Neil
Galing.
Ivan D.
Sa unang pagsulyap ba o tawanan, hindi mapantay ang pagsasama. Pagsasama, tunay na wala.
Hindi, ano yan?
the best.